And it's a rather extraordinary thing that nobody else.
Well,
perhaps you can contradict
No, but
me.
yes, I will.
I'd be pleased to do it.
Bach did write the Magnificat, and that text is set down the ages. But I think what Howard has done here is to take all the texts that are relevant, and I think it's also because we live in an age where women are more liberated. In those days, the Virgin Mary was was on one side, was very demure, a part of Christ's